Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chairman Senate, Sayyid Yusuf Raza Gilani, Speaker National Assembly, Sardar Ayaz Sadiq, Prime Minister of Pakistan, Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, members of the Parliament, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is my singular privilege as your civilian president to address for the 8th time the August House at the beginning of another parliamentary year. This moment marks not only the continuation of our democratic journey, but also provides us with an opportunity to review our progress and reaffirm our commitment to building a better future for Pakistan. As we embark on this new parliamentary year, I urge this House to focus on promoting good governance and political economic stability. Our people have pinned our hopes on Parliament, and we must rise to the expectations. It is my first duty to remind you, we need to work harder to strengthen our democratic system, restore public confidence in the rule of law, and put Pakistan on the road to prosperity. I would like to appreciate the government's efforts putting the country on a positive path to economic growth. Our foreign exchange reserves have witnessed a surge. There was a substantial increase in foreign direct investment, and the stock market also surged to a historic high. The government has also reduced the policy rate from 22 to 12%, and all other economic indicators have shown a healthy and sign improvement. Honorable members, you are aware the population dynamics of our country have changed. A combination of factors present challenges. We must address the high rate of our population growth along with strategic drift in our administrative machinery has increased governance issues manifold. It is my considered opinion that this House should take this responsibility seriously and play its role in rail and reset our governance and service delivery outcomes. As far as the government is concerned, ministries need to redefine their vision and objectives and understand that pressing issues faced by the people of Pakistan have to be resolved within a certain time frame. We need to deliver tangible benefits, restore trust of the people in democratic institutions. Democracy needs and give and take. And what better place to work for collective goals than this Parliament? As elected representatives, your function is role models for the nation. As you go about your parliamentary business, think beyond narrow goals. Think of the unity and consensus our country so desperately needs. I would urge all you to empower our people, make decisions of national importance with consensus, encourage domestic, international investment for economic growth and job creation, foster social economic justice and ensure fairness and transparency in our system. Chairman Senate, Mr. Speaker, for our country to prosper, it must build equitable. This is going to be a century of many new global changes, and to weather such transitions, we need to ensure that our peoples, with their different regions and resources, are on board of national development. It is my firm belief that a strong Pakistan is one where fruits of progress and development are equally shared by all its provinces and citizens. We should work actively to promote inclusive and uniform development, ensuring no province, no district, and no village is left behind. The House should ensure development is not limited to a few select areas, but reaches every nook and corner of the country. The ignored and neglected areas demand urgent attention from the federal government. We also need investments in infrastructure, education, healthcare, and economic opportunities to address the sense of deprivation. Parliament is the one forum where any sense of deprivation cannot just be aired constructively, but also addressed with political empathy. By the executive branch, that is the test of real statecraft. In this regard, improving our taxation system is essential to moving forward as a country. We must reform and expand our tax net, not overburdening those who already contribute, but by ensuring that every eligible taxpayer participates in nation building. Pakistan should also diversify its exports, focusing on value-added goods and services to explain new markets and build a competitive export-oriented economy. We need to make our IT industry a key driver of economic growth. We should focus on building digital and information highways, investing in IT parks, enhancing internet accessibility and speed, and supporting the growth of our technology-driven economy. Equally important is the sustained support of small and medium enterprises. We must ensure access to credit, address procedural bureaucratic hurdles, and create policies that promote youth-led businesses. Our young people should be encouraged to enter businesses good through SMEs-focused programs, skill development initiatives, and accessible loan schemes. In order to achieve these objectives, I would like to urge the House to play its role to increase the ease on doing business. Investors, small businesses, and international companies must find Pakistan an attractive potential of investment. Honorable members, today the common man, the laborers, and the salaried class are facing serious economic hardships. Our citizens are burdened by inflation, high prices of essential items, and rising energy costs. As we approach the next budget, I urge this Parliament and the government to provide real relief to the people. The government should take measures to forthcome budgets to increase salaries, pension, reduce income taxes on salaried class, lower energy costs, which would help reduce financial burden on them. At the same time, we should avoid downsizing jobs cuts. Instead of our focus should be on creating jobs and utilizing trained manpower productively. Ladies and gentlemen, women constitute almost 50% of the country's population, but they are underrepresented in every aspect of life. It is essential to empower them for enhancing their representation in various sectors. The most important intervention we can make as government and parliament is to make women at the bottom of the social pyramid financially independent. In accordance with the vision of Shahid Mohtarma Banerjee Bhutto, the Banerjee Income Support Program BISP remains a crucial lifeline of millions of families. Its reach must be expanded and cash transfers should be further enhanced. Young people make up a huge proportion of our current demographics. They need hope and inspiration. We should ensure the children are not outside schools in Pakistan. Promoting higher education, enhancing research in the universities should be a fundamental priority for creating a knowledge-based economy. I urge the federal and provincial governments to increase allocation for education sector in the upcoming budget on micro level and to also provide more opportunities through scholarships and financial assistance programs. This is also the moment for us to reflect on how we can enhance access to quality health care, all our citizens, reduce worrying incidents of malnutrition and polio vaccination in many children. Emphasis should be